Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Claremont, New Hampshire. You can tell by this lovely sign that's right here. I am at the Amtrak station. This is actually the first New Hampshire station that we're vlogging, so it's kind of exciting, another state. All right, guys, let's see what's at this station. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
All right, so right across from the sign here where I just did my little introduction, you see there's a Chrysler dealership over here, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram car dealership. You see all their cars parked. And this is your view looking down the tracks this way. I'm guessing this probably used to be the old station building here. Now it's called the Wheelhouse Bicycle Shop. So there, I'm guessing you can get your bikes fixed and serviced, all that kind of good stuff. So that's good to have. And then looking in this direction, beautiful views of the train tracks. Wonder what adventure awaits us up ahead. There's that. This one does have a waiting area. It's going to be right here on the left. I'm going to show you that in a second. Also down here you see, here's our couple of things. Here's the blue sign I always like to show if I can find it. Sometimes at stations I can't locate it. You see how it's in Braille right here? So people can read that. And if they're blind and they read Braille and know where they are. And here's the wheelchair lift for Amtrak to help somebody who's in a wheelchair get up onto the actual train. And then here's your waiting thing here, your waiting room. Now this waiting room, pluses and minuses that I can see already. One, you got two things that are heaters. So that's nice to have the two heaters, because when it's cold in the wintertime, this is an alcohol-free zone. No feet on the benches, please. No boarding trains without tickets or reservations, and it tells you to call or use their website or use their app. Because you can see this is an unmanned station. But one thing that's really cool about this station, check this out. They have one of these little free libraries. Take a book, share a book. So if you know you're coming to take the train here from Claremont, New Hampshire, bring yourself a book that you're willing to donate, and you can turn it in and get another book here. There's some good stuff in here too that would be good for a nice long train ride. Before Green Gables. Some other stuff here. There's some good stuff to read in there. Somebody's left some National Geographics you could read. There's pens in here. Junior Conductor Amtrak. That's pretty neat. There's an Operation Lifesaver. It's talking about being safe on the railroad tracks. That's good for your kiddos to do. A coloring book that gives them something to do on board the train or while they're waiting. But yeah, and then there's a station visitor thing here, a visitor log too. I'm going to do that. You can tell you're in a good small town too. Check this out. Keys found. Station hosts will be here. Somebody lost their keys. But they're nice enough to put up letters. You do that in a big city? That ain't gonna happen. It says, do you like trains? Would you like to promote train travel in Claremont? They're actually looking for people to do that. When the trains come through at 12:06 and 5:47 daily. There's another train travel like brochure here. I'm not gonna take one. But yeah, it's a little waiting area, but the waiting area is cute. It definitely keeps you out of the sun. Not out of the sun, I'm sorry. Keeps you out of the rain, keeps you out of the wind a little bit, depending on which direction the wind's coming from. But I like that there's heaters in there too. It keeps you nice and warm on a chilly night. So that's your train station tour here from Claremont, New Hampshire. What'd you guys think of this one? Do you guys like it? It's tiny. It's just basically just the platform, but it's nice. It's nice. It feels like a nice small town. Gotta like that feel. As you can see, there's not really much around here walking distance wise. So if you're coming to or from the station, make sure your ride, your accommodations are booked accordingly so that you're not left stranded here in the middle of the night. That would be the worst thing that could happen to you. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. Leave me a comment down below. You ever taken the Amtrak through New Hampshire at all? You ever gotten off at Claremont? Ever gone through Claremont? I'm hoping that someday I'm passing through Claremont on the train. Hopefully I'll see one of you guys. Leave me some stuff in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. Safe travels. One last look at the rails in both directions here. All right, we'll see you guys soon.